just designated a little part of the garden that was originally a seating area, and I'm clearing it all out, and I'm going to use it as an experiment during spring and summer, and I'll just show you the size of the area. So this is the area that I've cleared that we're going to be using for this experiment. It's roughly 12 feet by 12 feet, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do with it. So that was the area that I'm talking about, and what I'm going to do is I'm taking that little part of the garden, which is only 12 feet by 12 feet, and as you would have noticed, it's also got a stone base, and I'm going to use it as a container garden because I want to see just how many vegetables I can grow in a 12 foot by 12 foot space. And obviously I'm going to be utilising the ground for planters, but also some vertical planting as well. So that's something for me to experiment with through spring and summer, and I'll keep constantly updating you as it progresses. And then at the end of the season we'll be able to see just how much potentially, even if you have a really small area to plant in and you don't even have soil on the ground, we can then see how much you could still grow. Anyway, that's just a quick video just to show you something that I've got going on at the moment, and we'll see how that progresses over the next few months. I will keep doing updates to let you all know. Thanks for watching.